Again, folks. This is Matt running through some trading aha moments that I've had lately. I know you guys are getting sick of hearing this huddle, but it really makes a difference because, as you can see, as it comes into this, look at how rare this this volatility is amongst all the currencies. So they get into this huddle, all 11, wait, 8. 8 currencies. There's 8 people on a football team, right? There could be. I'm getting weird looks. Anyway, maybe an arena football team? Maybe. Google it. Anyway, so this is a great opportunity to start taking advantage of trades. And if you don't believe me, this is what happened afterwards. You can see that the kiwi's the white one, and I will label that. This is the kiwi. Top one is the chef, the Swiss. This blue is euro. This is dollar, yen, pound, CAD, Aussie. Now it doesn't really matter when they shoot when the kiwi shoots down like this, but when they come out of this huddle, I want the receivers. Those are the ones I want. That's going to be the best trade. So ready, break. Look at the kiwi or the Swiss. And yes, look at the kiwi. It just goes down, 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 down. My arm is still healing, so let's take it easy, okay? There could be some kind of pain pill still in me. Here we go. So we want the receivers because those are what? They are the most negatively correlated. And how do we make money in currencies? We pair up the two most negatively correlated currencies. Anyway, when I showed you this, you can see that I went short the kiwi on all of these. Made a little bit of money on Aussie yen, but let's see why. We've got the Aussie here and the yen here. They had their own little huddle right here. So I entered that later. Didn't really go very far. And then the Aussie dollar, same thing. Here's the yen, this green one, and the dollar's the yellow. So the Aussie dollar had their little huddle right there. And then you can see that they go their separate ways too. But I love seeing this right here. In fact, it's rare that I see one so tight. And what does that mean? Well, remember my Bollinger Band talk? Where we look at Bollinger Bands and we look for charts that we're looking for, the Forex charts. Here we go. Pin. Let's go ahead and get Forex. I don't know what this thing is. I think it's the camera. We don't do cameras. Anyway, I can't get rid of it. Leave it over there. All right, so auto here. Paul recognized this base. He's got a good eye for bases, and we're finally starting to see bases again. So I wanted to point that out really fast. He pointed these out, and then he pointed this one out. But then we went back in time to see, okay, let's see what the currency baskets were doing at that time. This is, let's see what time this is. I'm just going to put a vertical line right there. That is last night about 10 o'clock, 10:15. All right, well, let's see when the trade started happening. What is this thing? There we go. Yeah, I just really don't like this. Realized I had the originals going on in the background. Okay, so last night, 10:15. What happens? US dollar, Swiss franc. I'm sitting, I had the cursor sitting at, if I could just find, okay. There, oh, this is the 1 hour. So let's see, 10:15. Right there. Oh, I had it. There we go. Right there. That's 10:15. Is it any wonder then that that trade was so good to take, right? Because this happened at 10:15. But the best one to take at that time was the Kiwi Swiss. So let's look and see what happened to that one. Kiwi Swiss 10:15. Let's just find it. I can already tell you where it is. Boom. 10:15. Is it 10:15? I keep feeling like I'm getting that wrong. No, it's 20:15. Sometimes I'm smart. Okay, 20:15 happens right there. And then boom. So where do we want to get in? This is why we want to catch these huddles early, because we don't want to get in necessarily right when they start, because as we all know, especially in the summertime, they can come right back. But we want to be watching them. So this is 10:15 happens. We want it to clear that 50 moving average, and then right there. We want it to clear the latest swing low. Take a trade right there. Maybe have the stop right there. And then this one didn't give us many, it didn't give us many consolidations, and that's because of what we just saw. It just kept running down, and the Kiwi and the Swiss kept running up. I would keep pronouncing the Swiss. The Swiss just hates me. Anyway, so you go there. That's your entry. You get a slight bump here. So why not add to it as it passes that? You get another bear rally here. Why not add to it as it passes that? I don't know what these arrows are. I did not buy there. Oh, you know what? Maybe I did. Maybe it gone down far enough, but I totally missed this. Anyway, I had a ton of trades that I was watching. Anyway, so as I showed you that is not the one. This is. Pound Kiwi turned out to be my best trade just because pound pips are worth the most. So pound is pink. So let me go ahead and get rid of that, and that. And then let's figure this out here. Get rid of the huddle. Let's just remove drawings. Bring this back down. Wow. What happened to us here? Where is the... Oh, I don't even have it on the screen. There it is. Well, it should be. Where is 2015? Okay, it should be there. And it should be indexed to 100. Okay. Boom. Look at that huddle. I love that. Look how tight that is. And look how far away it moves from itself. I'm going to move this up. Move that. Move this down. This is why that was a great trade. Because the Kiwi was just weak. It just was. And then we had all the rest kind of meandering up. But the pound pips are worth the most. That's why that one did the best. Aussie Kiwi. I think I kept adding to a lot. So let's bring Aussie in the mix. There we go. There's the Aussie. Did same thing as pound almost. What else do we have? Kiwi Swiss, obviously. Kiwi dollar. Let's see what that did. So let's get the dollar in here, this yellow guy. Where are you, buddy? There you are. There we go. The dollar was a great trade. We had tons of great trades last night because of this. That's what I'm trying to say. And then what I did was I kept legging in. So let's go to my pound Kiwi trade. And I had it marked before my computer went all kaput. That's a nice white streak there. Didn't want that. Okay, so you can kind of see the arrows here. So I actually legged in 3 times right here. So I legged in when it broke that. And then I legged in. It came up here and then broke down and then came up and hit it again. And I legged in right there. Also legged in right there as it cleared that. And then I got out right there. And we'll just make that red. And we'll do another one for good measure. All right. So that was the trade that made a lot of money. I'm telling you, legging in. Please learn how to leg in. Let me help you if you need to. It makes such a difference. In fact, why don't I do where's that spreadsheet? Let's get the spreadsheet out here and see what we can do. Okay. Pick calculator. Open. You got to go with the one that says use this. Just let it be. All right, so let's put pound Kiwi in here. And I knew that looked wrong. Pound Kiwi in there, and we're going up. Long. All right, so let's see where our entries were over here. So why don't I do this? Let's take a horizontal array. Let's make them white for buying. Last night was the night we let it go. I tell you what, that was a beautiful trading night. Anyway, and then I got out when it just seemed to be dying. You know, we've got Fibonacci retracement, whatever you want to use here. But let's see, where's the latest rise? So can you see this white line here? That's where I got out. It's on the latest rise. So let's go ahead and take that out. Anyway, and then spread this out so we can see the prices a little better. All right, so I'm just going to enter the prices over here. You got to trust me here. And let's see, I started, I think 5 million, then every leg after that was either 10 million or 15 million. And this one was 10. All right, the prices. So the first one was 1.98297. Second one, 1.98467. Third one, 1.9865. The fourth one, 98772. and exited at 1.99236. All right, let's take a look at this. So first thing we need to do is make sure we are pulling in the correct pip value. So let's see. And you can do this online really easily, but pip value calculador. There we go. First one's usually pretty good. 1 pip in pound Kiwi. One standard lot, dollar in dollars equals this. So copy that. So let's see. Pound Kiwi. I don't think this is updated. So pound Kiwi, the pip value is 1.45. I don't know what that is, or that, or where we are. There we go. So per lot pip value. So pound Kiwi. That can't be right. Come here. Calculate. Oh, there it is. 6.91. So 6.91. So we'll come over here and we'll put position pip value in USD. So this is going to be, where is it pulling from? $6.91. All right. D13. Oh, G26. No, we need G21, friends. All right. That's what we've got there. Basically double it there, right? That doesn't look double. So let's figure out what's going on. Cross price minus pip value times, pip value times lagging analysis divided by 100,000. So per standard lot. So cross price. So we got this times the 6.91. This is our position pip value so far. This 26 lagging in analysis. So we got 10 there, 5 there. It should be double that. And that should be triple that. That looks like it might be triple that, but that does not look like double. So D14, G26. Here's what I'm going to do. 6.91. There we go. And just so we're consistent, don't anybody make a comment about how I said that was almost 3 times. Again, pain pills. And then let's see. Let's bring it down. And we've got this again. So position value. So total pip value should be that plus that. So this should be this plus this. Total pip value. All right, final. So 12.5% of our trade was done on the entry. The big lots were done during the trade. Let's make it symmetrical here. pips in between trades. Let's get rid of the yen part. Okay, did I put the price in wrong? 565, 467. Oh, yeah, I did because we were going short. You can see it does not take a lot of pips in pound crosses to make a lot of money. So, okay, no, this is wrong. It's configured for the yen, and I'm not deleting anything. And back. Let's press end. Oh. Okay. And we were almost there on that one. So look how much legging in makes a difference. And I know this isn't right because we've got the wrong pip value here. But we had 94 pips. Huge. But 32 compared to 155, I'll take it every time. So that was our trade. Copy this. Let's go ahead and put it on the trade board. I'll do that in a minute because that takes a while. But anyway, I wanted you guys to see once again. Please keep doing this. Please watch for these huddles because they are incredible. Let's see if anything's going on right now. Let's go to current time right now. Why don't we get all the currencies? How about that? Okay, so everything is consolidating, and that's good, right? We've got these guys coming together right now. And okay, so we have a mini breakout here with the pound Kiwi, but very mini. You know what I mean? Let's see what the five minutes shows us. Well, it puts the Kiwi on a pedestal, but it's doing the same thing, just the other way. You guys, let's go hunting for trades. So we got the Kiwi doing the other thing. So what's the other receiver? I see the euro or the yen on the bottom. So let's do euro Kiwi, and lo and behold, it barely just broke that resistance. So I would do a market order there. Make sure it's protected just above the 50. And there we go. And what was the other one? Euro and yen. Kiwi yen. Let's do it. See? That one's going up. Now, I'm going to put a buy order right there because it's right above that last swing high. And just while I do it, just put some stop protection there just in case we're triggered. All right. What else do we have? Man, the Kiwi's going crazy. We got euro, yen, dollar, Swiss. I mean, everything's doing it, but the other way, and we don't care. We're going to make money. So, Kiwi, Swiss should be another good one. And it is. Look where it's at. It's breaking right through that right now. Whoa, easy. What did I hit? I'm at stop buy. I'm just doing a market order here. There we go. I'm through fooling around. Okay. There. Let's get rid of these lines. Remove. And remove. All right. So got a couple trades in. What else would look good? What about the pound kiwi? Now that we... Oh, you know what? Let me take a picture of this first. Okay, I'm just going to take a quick picture. Put it up on the trade board. There we go. Move that away. Now we can clear these and work on a new trade. And here we go. We got our trading box. This thing's moving quickly. I can see it. There we go. Let's get some protection there. All right. What else? Kiwi yen looks okay. It's really choppy. CAD Swiss, I hate. Aussie Swiss, I would buy it if it went below there. Sure. And then down here. So we've got a lot of orders ready to take hold. And see, look at the Aussie dollar. It's already doing that for us. Oh, that's what I had on before. I was going to say, geez, that moved fast. All right. So this one is moving. So where's our next logical legging in point? How about right there? Because that was the other swing low past that. Now let's bring this down. Oh, see, we got triggered on all these. Let's see how we're doing. Oh, this is not a good time. Okay, so between 3 and 4 mountain, we do not want to be trading. We don't want to be trading. This is the witching hour. Look how big these spreads are. Look how wide they get. I don't want that. Anyway, I'm glad we got through that before we ran out of time here. And here it comes. And let's see. Market had a bad day today. So what? I mean, no wonder the safety currencies were the 3 top currencies. Dollar, Swiss, yen. What are the growth currencies? I just need my pointer, you know. Where's my draw? Where's my draw machine? Do you have it over here? No. How about up here? Anybody have it up here? You know, I can find it whenever I don't need it. There it is. Well, kind of. So, yen. That's not yen, that's a Kiwi. So, Kiwi, Aussie, and actually the CAD are growth currencies. The pound, euro, kind of do what they want. But one of the dollar, yen, or Swiss, when the market is down, will be outperforming. Usually. I mean, that's what's supposed to happen. I'm not going to say it always happens, but that's what's supposed to happen. Anyway, guys, thank you for my huddle meeting again. Our 8 players did well in the arena, and it was a great night. If you haven't checked out the forum, um, I do. I saw a bunch of people on there last night posting trades, and what I did was, oh, here we go. I got to get my code here. Resend it. There we go. All right, so had a bunch of people trading very well last night. So we went to, let's talk trades. Nick Madu, Nathan, he's always on here, always good for a good trade. I'll be putting in, what I'm seeing. But yeah, I posted this and I'm like, come on, guys, this is incredible. He's a very smart guy. This Nathan guy, he's a programmer, so he's got all of his trades are algorithmic. I have to use my eyes. I'm not as smart as he is. Anyway, great to be with you guys. These are all the traders over here that are in the forum, and we'll see you next time.